sold, innovations, untold things, worries, emotions, joy, worries, so here I have taken a couple of topics, so you can write on anything, whatever comes to your mind. So what you have to do initially, in the first step, you have to do one thing, and you have to pick up some topic and write a para and ponder over that, think over that if it is correct or not. It should be perfect. So when you go to perfection, you don't do grammatical mistakes, then you have to ponder over, you have to think over punctuation things. And when punctuation is done, then you have to go for contractions. Once contraction is done, then you have to go for précis writing. Précis writing means summarize the things. So you have to keep bulk and unwanted and unimportant things aside and pick the most important things in order to make your writings standardized. So we can pick any of the thing. For example, I have given a couple of tens of topics over here. So you can pick up any of the topic where you are more interested and pick up that thing, and you can write a para every day. So make a habit of everyday reading and writing. Once you make habit of reading and writing, I bet you will be a good writer, you'll be a good speaker. So it bases upon practice. It doesn't reflect your intelligence actually. It reflects your hard work. So the more you hard work, the more better results can be. So for more results, for more information, stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you.